Today we are starting with next branch of bio, hemology, study of blood, hepatology, study of liver, mycology, study of muscles, nepiology, study of newborn, nephrology, study of kidney. Nephro means kidney. The person who is associated with this is known as nephrologist. 5 years course. Olfactology, study of smell. This person is known as olfactologist. 5 years course. Oncology, study of tumors and cancers. Cancers and tumors are unwanted growth of cell. This person who is associated with this study is known as oncologist. It is also 5 years course. Ophthalmology, study of eyes and its diseases. This person is known as ophthalmologist. It is again 5 years course. Otology, study of ear and hearing devices. This person is known as otologist, 5 years course. These all main branches which I have taught you. You can select any one which is you are liking. You can select as your career. Virology, study of virus. Now we are starting our first chapter. I am sending you PDF of this chapter. Our first topic of this chapter is biodiversity and our chapter is the living world. Living world, the world of organism where living beings are staying on this land. We are starting with biodiversity. The variety of living beings found in a geographical area is called biodiversity of that particular area, and it is the number and type of organism present on the earth. Nomenclature and identification. Due to huge diversity present in living bird, it is becoming necessary to develop a system of classification. Assigning a unique name to the organism is called nomenclature. Biological name. This name gives a unique name to each species and it is represented by two words. The first word always starts with capital letter and second word always starts with a small letter. As you can see, example, Homo sapiens. This is the botanical name of human being. Now you can see this is Homo, means H capital, S is small. Now taxonomical category and hierarchy. Classification is not a single step process but involves hierarchy of steps in which each step represents a rank of category. Since a category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangement, it is called taxonomic category. Each category refers to as a unit of classification and which is representing a rank and commonly termed as taxon. Now you can see it starts from species, then genus, then family, then order, then class, then phylum or division or kingdom. Means whenever we are classifying any organism or any plant, it is classified in this manner and each level is known as taxon, which is known as rank also. Now taxon. Each category refers to as a unit of classification which represents a rank and commonly known as taxon. Now need of biological classification. It is nearly impossible to study all the living organisms, so for our convenience we are classifying the organism. It makes the study of organism easy and as they are grouped under a specific rank or category. It also provides a base of classification to make the study of large group of organisms convenient. Botanical garden. Botanical gardens are the specialized gardens that have collection of living plants for the reference. These gardens are used for identification purposes for scientists. Each plant is labeled indicating its botanical and scientific name and its family. It plays an important role in study of scientists. It is needed for scientists to study about the existing organisms. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.